There are automobiles, and then there are icons. Today, we will explore a vehicle that embodies the convergence of heritage, technology, and an exceptional driving experience. The 2025 Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS. This model is not merely a Porsche. It represents a definitive statement in automotive design. For decades, the Porsche 911 has served as the benchmark for sports cars. However, the Targa variant distinguishes itself as the most romantic option within this family. A vehicle designed for individuals who appreciate open-air driving without compromising the precision for which Porsche is renowned. In its GTS configuration, this model may represent the optimal balance within the entire lineup. What, then, contributes to the significance of the Targa 4 GTS in Porsche's 2025 offerings? It masterfully integrates three critical elements: the all-weather assurance of all-wheel drive, the aesthetic appeal and drama associated with the classic Targa roof, and the robust performance characteristic of the GTS trim. This is Porsche's method of asserting that one need not compromise on important features. Specifications ***. Engine: 3.0-liter twin-turbo flat-six. Power output: 480 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds with launch control. Transmission options include an 8-speed PDK dual clutch or a 7-speed manual transmission for traditionalists. Standard features: adaptive PASM suspension, rear axle steering, and Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus. Package includes the Sport Chrono package to ensure both track readiness and suitability for road use. On the road, one of the initial observations is the Targa's remarkable handling. How this model navigates corners is striking. It retains the rear engine balance while the all-wheel drive effectively grips the pavement. Upon acceleration, the turbos deliver a forceful surge that secures the driver in place. While an output of 480 horsepower may seem moderate compared to the 700-plus horsepower supercars present in the market, it is finely calibrated for usability and performance. Furthermore, with the roof retracted, the melodic sounds of the flat-six engine become an exhilarating experience, one that is difficult to replicate. From a design perspective, the 2025 Targa is a visual triumph. The silver Targa bar pays homage to the original design from the 1960s and serves as an iconic feature. The roof mechanism itself is a spectacle, completing the transformation in approximately 19 seconds, akin to a graceful piece of automotive choreography. Inside the vehicle, occupants are greeted with the GTS treatment, which includes Racetech suede, carbon fiber accents, and optional adaptive sport seats plus. The interior maintains a minimalist aesthetic while providing an appropriate level of luxury. Additionally, Porsche's latest PCM infotainment system is both modern and user-friendly, enhancing the overall experience. Pros ***. An exemplary fusion of style, performance, and usability. Open-air driving combined with the structural integrity typical of coupes. Iconic design with significant heritage appeal. Outstanding handling and ride comfort. Cons ***. Price point. With additional options, the vehicle easily approaches supercar pricing. Limited rear seating, primarily symbolic. Minimal luggage space, suitable for weekend-only use. The 911 Targa 4 GTS is noteworthy neither for being the fastest Porsche nor for being the most affordable. Yet, it may very well be considered the most desirable. It appeals to individuals who cherish the journey as much as the destination, seeking an ideal combination of style, heritage, and performance within a singularly elegant package. In conclusion, this automobile transcends the definition of a mere vehicle. It constitutes a profound experience. In 2025, Porsche has indeed excelled in this regard. Would one wish to possess such a vehicle? Undoubtedly. What are your thoughts on the 911 Targa 4 GTS? Is it a dream vehicle or merely an overhyped model? Please share your insights in the comments section. And remember to like, subscribe, and activate notifications for further examinations of automotive masterpieces that evoke profound emotions. Thank you for your attention. Make us feel something. See you in the next one.